7 2013 Ford Fusion Battery 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 7. Ford Negative Battery Terminal Replacement. Is a corroded battery terminal causing frustrating starting issues or unreliable power in your Ford? Our 926 to 879 negative battery terminal is the exact OE replacement you need. Perfectly compatible with a wide range of Ford models, including Edge, Explorer, and F-150. This isn't just any terminal. Engineered from high-grade C26000 copper alloy with tin plating and manufactured by a Tier 1 supplier to original equipment specifications, you're guaranteed a robust, reliable electrical connection. Forget lower-grade alternatives. This premium construction ensures optimal conductivity and lasting durability. Installation is incredibly simple, taking less than 10 minutes with the included M6 nut. Restore your vehicle's power system effortlessly and drive with renewed confidence. Number 6. Fusible Link Fuse for Ford Edge Fusion, 2010 to 2015. Don't let a blown fuse strand your vehicle. Our Fusible Link Fuse is the reliable replacement for your Ford Edge, 2011 to 2015, Fusion, 2010 to 2015, and select Lincoln or Mercury models. Engineered to precisely match original specifications, 926014. It ensures direct fit compatibility for a seamless installation. Choose between 200A or 120A options to perfectly restore your vehicle's critical electrical system integrity, providing optimal support and preventing potential damage. Crafted from premium, durable materials, it's built to withstand harsh conditions, offering years of dependable service. Each fuse includes a comprehensive, automotive-grade installation kit with all necessary nuts, 2x 6mm, 1x 8mm lock nut, making your repair straightforward and efficient. Get your vehicle's essential functions back on track with confidence. Number 5. 2013 to 2016 Ford Fusion 4-button key fobs, 2-pack. Refresh your 2013 to 2016 Ford Fusion's key fobs with this reliable and essential 2-pack. Specifically engineered for turn-the-key ignition models, FCCID, N5F, A08TAA, 315 MHz. We guarantee precise, seamless compatibility for your vehicle, eliminating any guesswork. Each brand-new fob arrives with its internal chip and battery already pre-installed, simplifying the process. To ensure full functionality, professional cutting and programming by your local automotive locksmith are required. You'll receive 2 fully functional, OEM-quality keys crafted for dependable and long-lasting access. Experience the invaluable convenience of having both a primary key and a ready-to-go spare. Drive confidently, knowing your Fusion is always secure and easily accessible. Number 4. Ford Lincoln Battery Current Sensor Terminal. Keep your Ford or Lincoln's electrical system running flawlessly with our premium battery current sensor terminal. Engineered to strict OE specifications like DS7Z, 10C679A, this sensor ensures perfect compatibility and reliable performance for your Ford Edge, 2016 to 2019, F-150, 2015 to 2019, Fusion, or Lincoln MKZ, 2013 to 2019. Crafted from premium materials with superior surface treatment and advanced circuit technology, it delivers outstanding durability and a longer service life than most alternatives, ensuring your vehicle's battery management is always precise. Installation is surprisingly simple. Just disconnect, replace, and reconnect, saving you time and potential mechanic costs. Before purchasing, please verify your part number to guarantee a perfect fit and restored peace of mind. Number 3. Ford Lincoln Mercury Battery Fuse Terminal 2010 to 2015. Is your vehicle's electrical system feeling sluggish or unreliable? Upgrade with our premium battery fuse terminal, a direct replacement engineered for peak performance in your Ford Edge/Fusion, Lincoln MKX, 2010 to 2015, or Mercury Milan, 2010 to 2011. Crafted from sturdy, heat-resistant, and corrosion-resistant metal, this terminal ensures unmatched durability and a consistently stable connection, even in challenging conditions. You'll immediately notice enhanced electrical performance, with efficient power transmission throughout your vehicle and fewer unexpected malfunctions. Plus, installation couldn't be simpler. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, you can replace your old part quickly, saving both time and effort. Restore confidence in your ride's electrical heart and enjoy reliable power on every journey. Number 2. Ford F-150 Fusion Edge MKZ Battery Sensor. Is your Ford or Lincoln showing signs of unreliable battery performance? Don't let a faulty sensor leave you stranded. Our premium battery current sensor is precisely what your vehicle needs to restore optimal charging and accurate power monitoring. Engineered as a direct OE quality replacement, DS7Z 10C679A, DS7T 10C652 AC, it ensures your battery management system operates flawlessly. Installation is a breeze, no complex procedures, just a simple swap to replace your old or damaged sensor. It's perfectly compatible with a wide range of models, including Ford F-150, 2015 to 2020, Fusion, 2013 to 2020, Edge, 2016 to 2020, and Lincoln MKZ, 2013 to 2020. Get back on the road with confidence, knowing your vehicle's power system is in expert hands. Number 1. Ford CR2450 Key Fob Battery Replacement. Don't let a dead key fob leave you stranded. The Roamtech CR2450 battery replacement is your reliable solution, meticulously engineered for your Ford. Enjoy seamless access and consistent performance across a wide range of models, including the Bronco, 2021 to 2025, F-Series, 2018 to 2025, Explorer, Escape, and more. This premium 3V lithium battery delivers long-lasting power, ensuring your key fob works precisely when you need it most. Built to withstand extreme temperatures, vibrations, and daily rigors, its robust design guarantees unwavering dependability. Regain your peace of mind and effortless access. Please verify your specific Ford model, year, and match your key fob to image 2 for perfect compatibility. So, that sums up my 2013 Ford Fusion battery. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,